This tiny world, often unseen, hides a profound ethical dilemma for its documentarians. Creating breathtaking close-up images of insects can sometimes involve disturbing their delicate lives. The pursuit of stunning macro photography occasionally crosses a contentious line into manipulation. Some photographers go to extreme lengths for the perfect macro shot, but at what cost? Macro photography transports viewers into a miniature universe teeming with alien beauty and wonder. You explore the intricate patterns on a beetle's shell or the compound eye of a dragonfly. This art form reveals hidden behaviors, showcasing life's incredible diversity on a minute scale. For many, it offers a fresh perspective, highlighting the fragility and complexity of tiny ecosystems. Yet, behind some of these captivating images lies a hotly debated ethical landscape. Photographers face immense pressure to capture unique, never-before-seen moments in nature. This drive for visual spectacle sometimes pushes boundaries, creating contentious situations among experts. The question emerges: where do we draw the line between documenting and interfering with nature? Viewers often marvel at the clarity, unaware of the potential methods used to achieve such detail. Understanding this hidden side reveals a deeper appreciation for genuinely undisturbed nature photography. It challenges our perception of authenticity within the vast and popular realm of wildlife media. The debate centers on how much human intervention is acceptable when portraying wild creatures. One common, yet controversial, technique involves chilling insects to reduce their movement for focus. Imagine gently placing a vibrant butterfly into a refrigerator for a few minutes before its photo shoot. This temporary torpor allows photographers to achieve incredibly sharp, detailed close-up images effortlessly. Some argue this method is harmless, causing no lasting damage to the insect's natural life cycle. However, critics contend it stresses the creature, making it vulnerable upon release into its environment. An expert perspective suggests even brief chilling disrupts an insect's natural thermoregulation and instincts. But that's not the strangest part of this ethical discussion. Another contentious practice involves baiting, luring subjects with food or pheromones for a better shot. Picture a photographer placing a drop of honey near an ant colony, then capturing their feeding frenzy. While seemingly benign, some conservationists worry about altering natural feeding patterns and behaviors. They suggest that consistent baiting could create dependency or expose creatures to unnatural predators. Wait until you hear what comes next regarding habitat manipulation. Some photographers deliberately move subjects from their natural habitat to a more photogenic location. A spider might be carefully relocated from a cluttered bush to a pristine leaf for a cleaner background. This action, however minor, introduces foreign elements and potential dangers into its delicate world. Leading ecologists highlight the risk of disrupting a creature's home range or territorial boundaries. They emphasize the importance of depicting wildlife strictly within its authentic, undisturbed environment. And then something unexpected happened in the world of competitive macro photography. The rise of social media platforms amplified the demand for increasingly spectacular, unique images. This created an intense pressure cooker environment where photographers pushed ethical boundaries further. Some revealed instances of subjects being tied down with fine thread or even glued in place. Imagine discovering a tiny insect was immobilized just to achieve that impossibly sharp, perfectly posed image. These extreme methods sparked outrage among wildlife photography communities worldwide. Conservation organizations began issuing stricter guidelines for ethical wildlife documentation. They stressed that respect for the subject's welfare must always supersede the desire for a stunning photograph. The debate isn't just about the insect, it's about the integrity of nature photography itself. It questions whether we are truly documenting nature or merely creating artificial scenes for human consumption. Many photographers now actively share best practices, advocating for minimal intervention and ethical approaches. They demonstrate that incredible macro shots are achievable without resorting to harmful or manipulative tactics. This ongoing discussion shapes the future of how we interact with and portray the natural world. This controversy fundamentally alters how viewers interpret macro wildlife imagery. It encourages a more critical eye, prompting questions about the authenticity of what they observe. The integrity of nature photography as a whole suffers when these manipulative practices come to light. When images are staged, they lose their power to genuinely educate and inspire conservation efforts. Experts suggest that misrepresentation can create a false understanding of natural behaviors and habitats. This could inadvertently harm conservation, as public perception becomes detached from true ecological realities. The emotional impact for many nature lovers is a sense of betrayal, a loss of innocence in their viewing. Imagine believing you are witnessing pure nature, only to learn the scene was carefully constructed or manipulated. It diminishes the wonder of actual wild moments, replaced by a lingering doubt about visual truth. However, this debate also fosters greater transparency and accountability within the photography world. Many photographers now actively state their methods, indicating when a subject was found or if minimal interaction occurred. This newfound transparency builds trust with audiences, reinforcing the value of authentic wildlife encounters. Ultimately, the controversy serves as a crucial reminder of our responsibility towards all living creatures. It highlights the delicate balance between artistic expression, scientific accuracy, and ethical consideration. The discussion forces us to confront our role as observers, questioning the boundaries of human interaction. This ongoing dialogue ensures that appreciation for nature remains rooted in genuine respect and observation.
The world of macro wildlife photography, while endlessly fascinating, carries a profound ethical weight.
Achieving those stunning close-ups should never come at the expense of a creature's well-being or natural habitat. The true beauty of nature lies in its raw, undisturbed authenticity, a lesson we continually rediscover. Responsible photography captures that truth, inspiring genuine wonder and fostering a deeper connection. By being aware of these ethical considerations, you become a more informed and discerning viewer. Support photographers who prioritize the welfare of their subjects and the integrity of their art. If you found this exploration of macro ethics fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Also, please like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your perspective truly matters.